Hi there, Anna Malimon here. Today, I want to share a little bit of my personal story, and I want to share a little bit of my day-to-day basis, I guess. With We started homeschool with our kids, and you know, the previous years when we tried homeschool, it was more stressful, and obviously, with the years, more years experience and everything else that we're trying together, we are getting to know what is best for each and every one of us and what works better and what's more interactive and fun and just what will help us be more engaged and participative in the group, right? It's our family, it's our group, this is our team. So while I'm homeschooling, I'm also taking into consideration and relating everything to my real business that I'm running online and my team and everything else that we're doing, and also gaining a little bit of experience on that side of things, right? And so with my kids, I've noticed that if I am not present, then they're slacking off. They're not doing what they're supposed to be doing. I mean, come on, do your kids do everything they're supposed to be doing when you're not around? It's the reality, and I get it. They're kids, right? And also, you know, while they're focused and concentrating because I'm there and they're doing what they're supposed to be doing, and even then they play around and slack off a little bit. But when I tell them, hey, this is what you're supposed to be doing, this is this is the time frame that you have to complete this particular assignment or activity. And the thing is, one will be self-focused and get it all done, the other one will be somewhat distracted, and another one you don't have to say a word to again, and they'll do it. And the thing is, even the years prior, I had a smaller, like a baby, and I couldn't really leave her alone for many hours at a time or anything like that, obviously, unless she would be napping. And it was just like so. I, I guess I didn't dedicate as much time as I could have to my other kids that with homeschool. I had them help each other, which was really awesome too, and it helped me a lot. But then they had to help each other, but I wasn't present in many like most of the day. Like I couldn't just sit there from morning till night and just like teach them, right? That's the reality. I have to still cook and I still have to clean and do other things around the house. So, anyways, um, and that just kind of made me realize, like, hey, if I'm not there, if I'm not present, they're just not getting things done. And I realized that I need to be more present. And one of the smallest one, my preschooler, she is enjoying it so much so that even after we end school and she gets her nap and everything, she does school all day. She just wants to color and play with Play-Doh and do all kinds of activities, and she wants to continue throughout the day. So it doesn't want she doesn't want to stop. She's so dedicated. And this brings me to like just thinking about like people on our team, that there's people that are so dedicated, they don't care, they don't count the time that it's school or not school, right? It's business time or not business time, they're just so dedicated in just getting things done. And there's some that if you're not present, they're not going to do anything. If you don't tell them the strategy to use, they're not going to do anything. And if you are they'll make excuses, and even if you tell them what to do and how to do it, they won't do it anyway because they just don't want to, as much as they may say that they do. So there's all kinds of people. And so in business is the same way as it is with school and kids and everything. And but I realized that even though there's all kinds of people and everything, the more present you are in your team, the more you are involved with them, the more likely they will engage with you, and they will actually do something and follow the strategy and be more active, and then they see somebody else do it, and that motivates them to do more. And so I think having a community that's going to support you, having a goal that all of you are all on the same page and trying to reach that goal, and you're sharing strategies to reach that goal, and you're all motivating each other to help reach, your goals, and it's all the same goal. And when you have that community, I think it's so helpful, all those factors are really helpful, by having that community. And so one thing I would encourage you is to build a community, for yourself, of people that are like-minded, for people that are interested in the same things, for people that share a similar story or know the struggle, or whatever resonates with them. And so one thing I wanted to share with you is that I do have my own community. It's eLifeBOSS. It's on Facebook. If you look it up, it's eLifeBOSS. And it's an amazing community where we are supporting each other, we are motivating each other, and we get weekly trainings and Q&A sessions when needed. And I'm going to share something with you. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and I'm actually going to show you something. This is my site, obviously, because there I am once again. Okay, so if you go to eLifeBOSS.com, eLifeBOSS is my brand, and that's the name of the Facebook group. If you come looking for me, that's where it is. If you want to know what eLifeBOSS is about, go ahead and check it out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here on the menu section and go into the resources page. So click on the resources page, and these are the different promotions that I offer. So some of these are free. Some of them do take some investment. So that's totally up to you as far as what you're into. And this is what I have up to date, at this moment that you're watching the video. So by the time, maybe you're watching this video and you're like scrolling through this resources page and you're like, oh, it looks a little different, and I see more offers. So if you're into affiliate marketing, if you want to build your business with affiliate marketing, this 7 steps to freedom will take you through a proven path, and you will definitely succeed. Plus, in our private group on Facebook, eLifeBOSS, what we do is we go dive really deep into each and every single one of the steps. And this is a free program. And so as I'm guiding you through the 7 steps, I am actually showing you my screen just like this. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm giving you my strategy, my thinking process, and everything else, as we go through each of the 7 steps. And they are 7 steps to help you get results that you want in life. And obviously, we're talking about monetary results. You want money. You want to make income. That's nothing to be ashamed of or to neglect, saying, yeah, no, I don't want money. Yes, you do. Everybody does. We cannot live with or survive without them. It puts food on the table, puts clothes on your back. You need money to survive in this world. That's just how it works right now. And so if you're looking for results, if you're looking to make money online, you don't have to go anywhere. If you currently have a job, you can do this part-time. All you need is one minimum to 2 hours a day. And if you can dedicate and get up an hour earlier and go through the training, if you can go to sleep 1 hour later, you will eventually be able to add more income to your life. And I know, this is more about daily leads, so it's about getting traffic. So obviously, if you don't have customers, if you don't have clients, if you have no one to sell to, or no one buying anything from you, you're not going to make any sales. It's this so this daily leads, it's a traffic solution. So basically, you can buy traffic, if you don't know people, if you don't have a community of your own, if you don't have an email list. And we can go into all the details, but this is definitely it. If you're looking to build wealth, you see, in the world that we live in today, this, money, let me, I guess I wasn't well prepared for this, but this right here, this paper, this is practically worthless. Okay. And on the other hand, something like, it's packaged well, something like this. So what do we got here? This is a ridge-nosed rattlesnake, Arizona, state of Arizona. Okay, so something like this, it's numismatic coins, so it's art. Here's another one. This is a pelican. So it's a Louisiana brown pelican. So it's like a state coin, and the design of the back is just amazing. It's beautiful. Anyways, this is real value right here. This is what you can build your wealth with. And so if you are looking to just make a side income, this right here is actually something that you build your wealth with. So maybe it's not going to be something that's valued, I don't know, millions of dollars or hundreds or thousands of dollars right now, but it's something that won't lose value over time, like this right here. So with that being said, this is wealth accumulation, and obviously you can take a little more deeper look into it and see if you want to protect your family, if you want to protect your finances, if you want to protect your financial security in the near future, because once this economic crash happens, you'll have a little bit of security with silver and gold. And that's what it's all about. It's about silver and gold, and it's an amazing company that I've been with for almost a year now, I believe. It'll be a year in just a short month, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I do get coins to my door every single month. As a matter of fact, I have several packages, and we get those, and I am more than happy to get them, because if I want to resell, I can do that for double the value at this time, because they are numismatic coins, because it's like art and silver at the same time, and they are MS70 graded. If you don't know about any of that information, obviously we have a presentation that gives you all the details, but if you do your research, MS70 coin is the highest graded coin. You cannot find anything more pure than that, and so it's valued highly. And then obviously YouTube channel, if you want to grow it, I think video marketing is the way to go right now. So if you think that growing your YouTube channel would be one of the things you'd want to do, that's a resource for you right there. So these are a few of the resources that I wanted to share with you, because I feel like if you're going to build a tribe, or if you're just looking for a side income and you want to have that same goal, then I invite you to come check out these resources and come join our tribe. Come into our private Facebook group. I'll link it in the description below. That way you don't have to look for it yourself. I'll make it very convenient for you. And so check out this resources page. But I do want, I do want you to feel like you're welcome, like you're part of the family. You can ask questions, because I want to see you succeed. I am so sad for so many people, but the thing is, a lot of people, all they do is make excuses and pity themselves, but they don't want to do anything. If you're an action taker, if you are feeling like I can do this, as long as I have a little bit of motivation, as long as I have some support, as long as I have a daily strategy, video guidance, step by step, someone that can take me by the hand virtually and walk me through what I'm supposed to be doing, I can do this. And you know what, my friend? I know you can. I know you can, and I'm here to support you. I'm here for us together as our community to take us to the next level and to help each and every one make commissions. So because we all need some money in our life, why not, right? We want to go and buy things that we want, and sometimes some of us need it, not just because we want it, but we really need it. And so I want to help you. I want to help you. And as a mom, I'm homeschooling. I'm always home, right? And it seems like I can never find time, because it's like you have so many things to do. But you know what? You can make time if you really want to. You can prioritize things and you'll find time. Trust me. When I wanted, like, okay, so I know that it's like getting a little bit long here, but look, there was a time in my life where I wanted to read the Bible on a daily basis. And it was just like, you're always so constantly busy, busy, busy. You're doing this, you're doing that. And you're just like, I can't, there was no time today. Tomorrow comes and you have the same thing, and a week after week after week. And you're like, okay, something is off here, because I know that I can find time, and I know that I can't possibly be so busy that I can't find some time to read the Bible. So that is when I stopped and prioritized my life, and I made time because I wanted to make the time for it. And when I made time, I had time every single morning and night, and it didn't seem to shift my schedule whatsoever. I didn't seem to wake up earlier, I didn't seem to go to sleep later, I didn't seem to do anything extra during the day, or it just somehow worked itself out. And it's just so interesting, because it's like, how does this happen? And so I want to encourage you that if you want to make something work, you will and you can. And I'm here to support you. Do you want to say hi? And here she is. This is the one who loves school the most. Say hello.
Hi.
And bye-bye. Say I gotta go.
Bye.
All right, thank you
Gotta
so
go.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will put all the information below in the description. So I hope to see you there. Otherwise, succeed, do whatever it takes to make it happen, and stay awesome as always.
Bye.
Bye.